Let's review using a Venn diagram. I'm going to select a Venn diagram with two overlapping circles. I'm going to set the rule for the first circle. Everything in the first circle has to be a triangle. The rule for the second circle, everything in the second circle has to be red. Okay, so then everything in the first circle has to be a triangle. If I try to put an object in that's not a triangle, it won't stay. Here, the triangle stays in circle 1. Everything in circle 2 has to be red, so if I try to put an object that's not red in circle 2, then it will not stay. In the overlapping region, that's going to be objects that are both triangles and red. So let's look at a red triangle. If I try to put a red triangle here outside of the overlapping region, it doesn't stay. That's because this triangle belongs both in circle 1 as a triangle and in circle 2 as a red object. So the only way it can be in both at the same time is if it's in the center. If I tried to put a red triangle over here outside of the overlapping region, it won't stay because even though it's red, it also belongs in circle 1 as a triangle. So everything in circle 1 has to be a triangle, and all of this part of circle 1 that's not the overlapping region is going to be all of the triangles that are not red. Over here in circle 2, in the region that doesn't overlap with circle 1, it's going to be all of the red objects that are not triangles. So we can see in sorting this, the relationship between the set of triangles and the set of red objects. If we come over here and examine this further, I have a similar Venn diagram. Over here on the left, I have all of the triangles that are not red. On the right, I have all of the red objects that are not triangles. And in the center, I have all of the objects that are both red and also triangles.